All right, mate. Cheers, mate. What are you on about? Can you budge up? Nice to meet you. Where are you from? How do you spell that? What does that mean? Can you speak more slowly? Could you please repeat that? I don't understand. So what do you think? How does this look? Sorry, I'm running late. I appreciate that. A piece of cake. I'm feeling under the weather. I can't be bothered. What's new? How are things? How's life? Pretty good. Could be better. That's so kind of you. I owe you one. It was nice chatting with you. I've never given it much thought. That's so true. I agree 100%. Tell me about it. That's terrible. Oh no, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry to hear that. How about eating out tonight? I'm absolutely starving. That's a rip-off. I'm beat. I'm exhausted. I'm going to hit the sack. Don't quote me on that. In no time. They're too uptight. Don't pass the buck. Take your time. I must get going. Take it easy. Beating around the bush. Miss the boat. Lost your touch. Sit tight. Get over it. Is that for real? That's sweet. Let's wrap it up. It was fab. Good for you. You've got to be kidding me. Cheer up. Keep up the good work. That looks lit. There you go. It's not the end of the world. Sleep tight. I'll drop you a text later. It's not worth it. Here you go. It's not my thing really. What are you up to? You should go the extra mile. No bother. You sold me. Help yourself, please. I couldn't care less. This is a no-brainer. It's driving me nuts. Oh, it's so long. I screwed up. I'd better get going. Take care. How is it going? What have you been up to? Long time no see. Can't complain. That's good one. How do you know? Thank you anyway. I'll give it some thought. That's very kind of you. What's going on? Did I get you right? No worries. I'm sorry I didn't catch that. Sorry, I wasn't listening. Fair enough. It doesn't matter. Oh, that explains it. These things happen. Fingers crossed. I'll be with you in a minute. Sorry to bother you. Where were we? Best not. Go for it. Lucky you.